MINExpo 2021, and we're looking at Fletcher boulder. Little machine here. It's got like the battery pack in there. Little mini boulder, operator station, mini boulder operator station. Neat little Boltec. Looks like some models, and then 112BE lithium battery made by Fletcher. Little Mine Scout, little type of utility vehicle, very low profile. This is for like potash mines and utility equipment like that. A little bolter here. Fletcher's like a little low profile bolter. Radio remote control. A little closer to this. A 3016 AD. So, small boulder here. It's like some kind of resin rebar system. Turret on the front, operator station. Oh, looking at a Fletcher. A J352LS. With a drill simulator available. We've got some big booms. Feeds. Just going to give the lens a little bit of a clean here. Sorry. Bit of clarity there. So big feeds, booms, operator's panel. Run on the cat engine. Fixer. Hydraulic tanks. Pretty high operator's cabin. This thing must have a pretty high reach. Alright, what do we got here? Some kind of scoop with an ejector bucket. Nice low profile. This thing also looks like she's battery driven. Some cameras and automation on it. Proximity detection. Wow. A tiny little cab. Little operator station here. And some functions here. Center hinge. And like some kind of power plant in the back here, battery pack. Alright, I'm going to move on through here. A bunch of suppliers, pumps, etc. I'm going to browse through here. See what we got. See Bort Longyear here. Losing the connectivity here. Nice big feed on that. Okay, keep having a look around here. Bort Longyear. We'll see some exploration drills. we've got the Orica, we'll talk a little bit about that. And then we got Arva, so the scaler and the cranes. So a little MS260 here, the rock breaker on it. These guys are making it for hard rock and soft rock. Epiroc scaler. And then the MC310 crane, low profile. Look at the height on that thing. So it's a nice little crane here, suited to potash and a low sea mining. All right, we'll move on. So there's Orica. Take a look at Epiroc. Now, got a few underground machines here, I see. So, have a look at this machines and talk a little bit about those. But one of the machines they do with Orica is the Avatel. And the Avatel's a remote face loading machine that after you've drilled out the face, you can load explosives. Alright, so we're going to take a look here at the M20. There's a boom M20 here from Epiroc. Square booms. And it's got the safe bolting platforms that allow this machine to install bolts after drilling out the face as required, so drill bolt scale. This also run the hoses inside the boom, so nice clean profile. And a rock drill. Take a little look in here. All right. Just bear with me. Okay, I'm back. So here's the feeds and rock drills on the Jumbo. These are in diesel and battery. So we got the Boomer M20. And then over here, excuse this, Boltec M10 E10. It's a ground support machine with bulk resin capabilities to install resin rebar. Also got manual resin shooting option. You see it's got a meshing arm, a little bit like the Sandvik one we saw before. Can install screen mesh. So it's got the roll mesher system and geobrug. We'll have a look at the feed. This is a bolter. Good. And this is a bolting machine. It's got the rock drill and the bolt inserting tool device. I'm just doing a live thing, but so here we have the rear. I think this one's diesel and battery as well. Okay, and look at the charging posts here. Epiroc charger, and it's like a battery pack, Northvolt Epiroc battery pack. So that's what they use for their battery powered fleet. Okay, so there's the rest of the booth, Epiroc. And we would take a little look over here, have a quick look at the control tower. So we're looking in the Epiroc control tower. Okay, so we got the drilling operator station. Here we have underground manager, looks like to design the drill plans, and the drill rig control panel. This is looking like an automation for loaders. You see some kind of block cave extraction level. Loaders pulling ore from the draw points and taking it to the ore pass. Mobile Aris. It's got pretty clever software. 3D visualization in the bottom left screen, showing you a view of the mine and where all your assets and people are. And over on the right is a view you could have if you had a tablet in the machine. This is the onboard, which allow you to track your location in a mine and identify areas, perhaps refuge chambers, toilets, other vehicles. The telematics looks like have certic data that come off the machine and then enable you to track meters and tons and everything off your equipment in that way through a dashboard. It's MINERP. Here's the software that you use to bring all your scheduling, planning, your tasks and assignments, bring it all into one dashboard and one interface. So we have some other services from Epiroc. Looks like some parts and service and contract intelligence for a customer. And here we got some software for the surface drills, so they can control this drill rigs from a control room and drill out the drill plans as required. It's pretty neat here. There's the drill rig, orientation. There's the operator's panel. Anyway, so this is going to conclude pretty much the tour of the underground for MINExpo. Finish off with a big look at the surface drill. I think this is the one that the automation was set up with Pit Viper 291. And then there's a couple of drills. So D65 surface drill, and this one T45 surface drill. Big difference with the feed lengths, but big machines, big machines. So pretty well concludes a look at the underground equipment here for MINExpo. For the ones that couldn't make it, certainly down on foot traffic, but was a lot of good quality customers through. So it certainly helps to you know, make the event worth it, and good in these times that things can go forward and that we get